Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Thank you for being here. So today's video, what we're doing is going to do this, the surprise wolf cut. Why is it a surprise? Stick around and you'll be able to see why. But this has taken me no longer than 6 minutes to achieve this look. Look at all of the texture, the layering, the fringe, the shape, everything. So without further ado, thank you so much for watching. If you're new, please hit the subscribe button, thumbs up, comment down below what you think about it. Let's get into the section pattern. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be sectioning from behind the ear to the top high point of the head and then straight back on the other side, which makes the head split into two. So front section, back section, but there's a surprise of how we're going to refine it and how we're going to create a bit more like a sexier front. So stick around for that. So we're going to be using my Ochre 14 teeth texturizing shears today, and we're going to basically with this, so what you want to know is the hair. So simple rules: the hair's elevated up above 90 degrees, it's softer. So the higher you go, the softer it will be. The lower you go, the harder and heavier it will be. So what we want to be doing now is this is over directed up, so we already know it's going to be soft. This back over directed up, it's already going to be soft. Now we want to determine here, I've got this right on the hairline. So reason 4, I'm not going to get any root drag. So that means whatever I cut here is going to be quite representative of what the final shape is going to be. So when we're looking for shape, what we want is, what should we say, the chin. So let's use the chin as a guide. So the chin is around about there. We're just going to pull straight out like so, and I'm just working my texturizers through. If we had blunt scissors, it would obviously be quicker, but this is going to create a really soft edge. There you go. It's still blunt, but it's very soft. I'm going to be keeping that for some strand tests. So there's the front. We know that's going to be falling here, giving us a beautiful shape. When it comes to the back section, this is all pulled up, as you can see. It's a little bit baggy there. So for guides, we can pull forward, we can pull straight up. We could think about the length between there and the bobble. So say that's just over a comb, we already know it's going to be that length because we've got that much over direction up. So if we do another comb's length, we know it's going to be there, it's going to be there. So I'm going to do half a comb's length, and I'm going to over direct it all the way up to the ceiling, because what this will give us is loads and loads of softness, loads of texture. Let's do another comb's length, because that is quite a lot of hair coming off there. So there it is there. I'm just going to get my scissors in so you can see. So now I've got a bit of a guide as to know where we are, which is there. I'm just going to continue cutting so you can see, but there's a lot more hair at the back here, so it might take a little bit longer. But we do want a blunt line because these scissors already create the softness. So we're just going to pull this out. There's some little stragglers you can see just there, but we have got a really nice straight line of a haircut. So let's just take those off, and we know this length now is going to be that length plus some. But because we've got up here, we've got layers from this point here to here. So these layers are going to fall around about here and then become really floaty from there, but maintaining quite a lot of heaviness on top because of how short we've gone. Remember, 3 section, 3 minute wolf cut. Did I say 3 sections? Let's find the other one. So pulling this one out, this back section, put my scissors down for now so you can see what we've got here. Look at all that beautiful texture, movement that we've got in there. There's the short layers that are sitting up on that top. Remember, this mannequin has got loads and loads of hair. So if you haven't got loads of hair, you need to think about having wolf cuts, butterfly cuts, but your hairdresser will talk you all the way through it. But look at that, all of that beautiful texture and movement that's in there. Let's pull this front out. So where are we going to go? This is going to fall here, but we've got another ponytail. This is what's going to refine this fringe for us. So just with my comb, but you can see all of that shape already. Absolutely stunning. Look at it. Beautiful, beautiful shape there. Loads and loads of textures. Now we've got this. This is what everybody misses when it comes to this. So when it comes to going to a hairdresser's in the salon, this is what we prep for. This is what we plan for. We plan for refining. And this is why I love to do these haircuts, to show hairdressers that when we work on these types of things, we're going to over direct, we're going to pull forward, whatever degree cut we're going to do, it creates this sort of look. But we need to work on the sort of framing of the face. And how do we do that? Exactly the same way, over directing up to the middle, but on here, I cut this way. On the fringe, I'm going to be cutting vertical, which is going to create a bit more softness. We're going to elevate a little bit more, but we're going to go a hell of a lot shorter. So we're going to be looking at the sort of bridge of the nose, eyebrow level. And again, because this ponytail, you can see there, it's smack bang on the hairline, which means we're not going to have any room of root drag or anything like that. Wherever we're going to cut it is going to be representative of our section. So there, I'll put it there so you can see. And then again, we're just cutting through that section because this is going to create loads of softness because of the type of scissors we're using. There we go. You can see there we've got a really nice blunt line as well. You can soften off if you want to. You could go into it and sort of chip away. I'm not going to. We're using these. We don't need to. If I was using straight blade scissors, I probably would. You ready? There we go. Here's a fringe. And look at that. You've got it going from shorter to longer. Reason for, we pull it up into the middle, which means we're pulling it up from the sides. Going to be longer at the sides, shorter in the middle. So it's created this. Let's give it a little bit of a shake. There we go. Let's lift it up to give a bit more styling if we need to. Just giving it a little bit of styling. And there we go, guys. That is the 3-section, what should we call it? 6-minute wolf cut. But the wolf cut is still bang on trend and something that you can achieve like this. Absolutely love it. Hope you have too. Let me know in the comments down below if you've loved it. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you're going to get a wolf cut for 2024 because it's still a massive trend. I'm just going to have a little bit more of a play with this, and then I will see you on the next video.